to Phone to Pick channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to check the iPhone 7 which cannot on and no display at all. This iPhone 7 customer said after he wake up and the phone is cannot on. Are you serious? How come you cannot on after you wake up? Once you're sleeping, it's okay. After wake up, the phone is cannot on. Or this phone maybe have aliens. They attack this phone, or someone hackers they attack this phone. Are you serious? Don't know what happened to this phone. I will show you guys how to diagnose this phone. Let's go. Okay, this is the diagnosed iPhone 7 which cannot on. Actually, is LCD problem because the customer sleeping. They put the phone behind of the pillow.
What?
And for now, sleep ready. Tomorrow morning you wake up, the phone cannot on. Actually, it's not cannot on. It's no display. The phone is on. Okay, thank you for watching this video today. If you like this video, remember like and share and comment on the below and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.